Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Monday, August the 20th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update we have Microsoft that actually will be using Minecraft Education Edition on iPads. It's actually sending it on iPad. What's the interest in here is that thanks to Minecraft, Microsoft has been able to help young gamers learn code and learn how to code, and it is now wanting to actually have that functionality and all these possibilities on the iPad with young creators to learn to code and have fun and play games at the same time. A iPad reportedly exploded at the Amsterdam Apple Store. Apparently the battery exploded, and of course they had to evacuate the store. All is back to normal, but of course an investigation is going on to see what did happen to that iPad. Well, the new feature called Screen Sketch that will replace the snipping tool eventually has been renamed Snip and Sketch. Microsoft hopes that the new name will help people searching for the snipping tool, kind of find that the Snip and Sketch tool does what the snipping tool does, and that it will be, of course, available in the next version of Redstone 5 or Windows 10. Microsoft has been working with hardware and software vendors to lower the risk of false positive with the Windows Defender antivirus in the Microsoft Windows. False positive happen from time to time, and it's one of those things that you don't want to have your antivirus actually doing, because it simply breaks something that sometimes can be really important. So of course, by working with all the software and hardware makers, you can actually test it out and before anything is released to make sure that false positive don't happen. The European Union is going to enforce a new terror content rule. If you have terrorism content and any types of terror content on social media or whatever website, you will have, the website or the company in question will have 1 hour to remove it from the Facebook or from the web page or the social media page. This is new rules, and of course it's going to make a lot of the companies a little crazy, because they're thinking, come on, you're asking us to do something in really a quick time, which is only 1 hour. That means we'll have to always be checking for content and for people complaining about different types of content. Well, one of the things that is the biggest problem right now with the Internet of Things devices is the Connectum Home of the future is really difficult to put together. Everything is working on almost different platforms and different way of connecting together and different way of configurations, and it makes it almost impossible in some cases due to the different technologies that are used. So of course this is something that they are looking at and trying to think, what can we do as a standard for all of this to work together? Who are the ones who are the most probable people to actually do in-app purchases on mobile games? According to a study, 79% of them are women. It seems that they are 79% more actually inclined to do in-app purchases than men. So that's an interesting stat. Does blue light really cause eye damage? There's a report that came out a few weeks ago that, of course, a lot of news items of news services picked up, said the blue light from our devices was damaging our eyes. Now, after the report came out, one of the things that was actually happening is that the woman behind the study says, no, not at all. That's not what I said. It's being misreported. It says that what the hell? Theoretical. I got it. Yeah, you guys are probably laughing your head off right now. In theory, it is possible that blue light damages the eye, but in reality, she doesn't think it does really that much. Personal information is always a big problem in, when you go online and when you, of course, go to different services that keep information about you in online services and online servers. And one of the latest example is UK Health Services that lost more than 10,000 patient data last year. They simply don't know where it went. So this just, telling us that there needs to be really, really strict rules for personal data. Deepmind, Google's own artificial intelligence project, is now working to find efficient solutions for the cooling of its data center. It actually is putting that artificial intelligence to work to try to find new, innovative ways to cool down their systems. Servers are probably the biggest consumer of power because of all the heat that needs to be removed, so they need cooling down. Of course, by finding some cool ways to do it, they might be better. Apple removed thousands of illegal gambling apps from the App Store. Sorry, I got a little cold and it's taking a toll on my voice. So 25,000 apps have been removed after a report said that Apple was slow to take down illegal apps in the Chinese store. So nothing like a little rant from the government to have you go a little faster. And this was a Tech News Update for Monday, August 20th, 2018. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.